everyone, Linda Israel here, and today I am talking about the Winter Bliss subscription box. I have finally got all the pieces put together and it is now available on my website, lindaisrael.com, and there are 8 options. 8 options that you can choose from. One of those is just the subscription box that will feature the custom journal. It will also have a Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. It will have a stencil that I have made and is exclusive to this box, not available in my shop regularly. There will also be a scrap pack or jump pack from Canvas Corp brands. There are also ephemera pieces, and then there's a special package of things that I have found and collected that I thought went well with this journal package. Then below that are all the other add-on items. For example, you can get all of the paints. You could get the printed journal kit. So it's an add-on journal kit that's expanded. It has lots of neat things in it. And then there is the digital journal kit that you can get. So you can pick and choose which one of those. I made 8 different options. You can choose to get all of the options as well. Shipping, I'm trying to do my best of making shipping and handling affordable. Remember, I am small time. I am not a big corporation, so I don't get corporate discounts for my shipping. So this time I'm using the priority flat rate box that we have here in the United States, and I have set it up that where Canada, US, and the UK can sign up for the subscription box. If at the renewal of the subscription in 2 months for this box, I hope that I will have a better shipping solution and I can lower the prices, but that's what they are right now, and I'm trying to save you as much money as possible and also give you some really good fun things. Over the next few weeks, I will be sharing some videos that will be inspiration and tutorials on how to use the items that are in the kit. So be on the lookout for those. And then as you subscribe to this box, you will also get other access on my website and also the ability to purchase special things that only my subscribers are going to be able to get. So those are some of the features that I'm going to have, as well as some private tutorials that are only available to those that are subscribed to the subscription box. And I'm looking forward to seeing and hearing and reading your feedback. If you have ideas of things you want to see related to the subscription box, maybe you want to see a certain theme in the future, you want certain kind of tutorials that show how to use the subscription box items, just whatever it is that kind of helps you be able to use these items, let me know. I may not be able to do all of them, but if it's something that I'm pretty sure would be beneficial to everyone, I'll see what I can do to put it together. So thank you so much. I will do a flip through of all of the items in this video, and then I'll come back and we'll talk some more. Alright, so here is the subscription box contents for the most part. There may be a couple of changes, but first of all, you get a Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. You also get a stencil that is exclusive to this box, and this is the color that this Glimmer Mist makes through that stencil, so you get an idea of what that looks like. And it matches perfectly the journal that is in the box. So it has a 8.5 by 5.5 journal. Mine is a prototype, so it's not bound and I don't have all the pages, but that's the outside cover. And then this will be bound, and this will be the inside, and it will have 3 of these pages, so it makes a total of 12 pages that it'll have in the journal. Next, you'll get a cardstock piece that is enclosure cards. So when you trim these out and fold them in half, they're little note cards. To go with that, we have 1 page of envelopes. This is on text weight, and this envelope matches the small cards. This envelope matches the big, and this is 2-sided. Has this really cute holly leaf on the other side. So these are those fussy cut items. Next, you'll have what we call the widget page, and this has a tag and a couple of pieces of ephemera and words and fussy cut items. There's a quarter and a little belly band. And then you'll have these postcards. So these are true size postcards that you can mail. And on the back side, it says postcard. Then there will be a junk pack kit. I have one photograph that you'll be able to see in the blog post, as well as the description. I think I have it there. I've been putting it in a couple of different places. There's just a lot of little goobers and doodads and things that I thought would be great for a junk journal, and I tried to pick colors that kind of matched what we were doing. And then each package will have a little envelope like this, and the contents aren't completed yet, but you'll get the idea of what I'm putting in here. I'm going to be filling it up with some things. So I've got some eyelash trim that's fuzzy. There'll be some doilies. There'll be some lace. There'll be some hymnal or sheet music in there. There'll also be some book pages I know of, and I've got some other trims I'm going to be adding, and I'm just adding here and there things that I think will work really cute. And a little paper clip, this little bag, and inside the little bag you'll get some buttons, some of these bulb-shaped pins. These are sequins. This is a different type of iridescent sequin, and then there's some little flat back charms and some rhinestones. So just some little goobers. I just keep adding things. The idea is that once I turn off the pre-order, that the order will then go to Canvas Court Brands for them to print the journal and the printable elements, and then place the order for the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And with all of that, we hope to ship out in December. Hopefully near or around December 15th is when we'll start shipping. So that's the subscription box, and it's $24.99 plus shipping, and I've tried to do a reasonable price for shipping in the US, UK, and Canada. So we'll set this aside. Well, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'll be doing some tutorials. So this is the printed kit from Canvas Court Brands. So all of these are physical printed items that you can choose to add on to your kit if you want, and you'll get the 2 covers. So these are one cover, and this is the other side. So it's 2-sided. You can choose which you want to be the outside. Here's another cover, and you can choose the inside and the outside. These same images are also available in a digital download. So as I'm showing you this is the same as you're going to get if you choose to pick the digital download. The printable is $14.99 and the digital is $10.99. So here is the journal page, and it hasn't been trimmed yet because this is my proof, but the pages will be trimmed to the right size, which is 8.5 by 11. Here's the next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. And then we have this bird fussy cut page that I requested because I just love the birds, and I thought those would make great little additions, especially if you add these onto maybe a mop-up page or maybe a dictionary page or an old greeting card. You could dress those up and put those in your journal. This is on cardstock. These are little note cards or journaling cards. They're on cardstock. They're one-sided. This is a library card, and journal belongs to labels. There's 2 of them since you get 2 covers, and a library pocket. And basically what you do is you trim these pieces out, and when you trim this out and fold it to the back, you can wrap it around your library topper, and you'll have those pieces to make a pocket. Okay. These are tags. They are one-sided. These are journal cards and a belly band, and that's one-sided. And then here's some little corners and little embellishments, words, tickets, and a belly band. That's also one-sided. So that's an add-on that you can get, as well as physical or digital. So you just have to choose in the drop-down list. And then lastly, the last item that you can also add is the Tattered Angels paint system. So we've got a green, a pink, and a silver Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. These colors match the images perfectly. We have a red high impact paint. So it's a very opaque paint. So if you wanted to paint something red to add to your journal, maybe add a little bit more holly berries here and there, you can do that with this paint. And then this is called Glam, and it's a sparkly glam. So say all those snowflakes that are in the printed images, you could paint those in and then they'll sparkle. You can see all that glitter that's in there. So this kit add-on is $25.99. And the way I've done the shipping, even though you're adding items that are going to be heavier, I'm doing the priority shipping at the moment of the Winter Bliss kit. And there's no additional shipping. So whatever you're paying for shipping for your box, you're not going to keep paying a shipping price for each item. You just pay one shipping price because we're going to combine all of that. I hope that makes sense. So these are all the options that you have: the paint, the subscription box pack, the printed or digital that are available in the shop right now. Until we run out, I only have 100 available, and yeah, I'm excited. It's amazing. This is all coming together. It's been a dream to be able to do this, and with the help of some wonderful people, Norella with Calico Collage, Christine with Canvas Corp Brands, also the owner of Tattered Angels, Jason Johnson of J Squared. He is my web guru, and I am so thankful for his help on getting my new website created and set up to have a subscription box. I'm also having a membership site. So whenever you purchase one of my subscription box, you're also going to have a membership into my site, and that will allow you to see some things that I'm not posting to the public. So I wanted to kind of reiterate that you're getting a perk, and then I also plan to do some perks that because you did a subscription box, you'll be able to order other items from my shop at a discount. So be on the lookout for that, those of you that have already subscribed or plan on subscribing. All right, thank you so much everyone for your support, for helping me realize this dream that is coming true. Again, go place your order. I hope you get in there quick, and we'll see how this comes together as far as shipping them out. I'd love to see what you make with yours. Again, look for tutorials. What else? If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Check out my social medias as well: Instagram, Twitter, Patreon, etc. Tumblr. I've got more, I believe. I keep connecting to Google Plus is another. I think that's going away. My website, you can also subscribe there to watch my videos and see my blog posts. And I don't know, just thanks. Share this video if you think other people will be interested in my subscription box that I'm trying to make something that you'll use when you get. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a fabulous day. Bye.